In this video, I want to talk about why it's so important to reach out to others when you face depression. Many times when we are at our most depressed, when we're feeling the most low, sad, alone, we feel like we just want to be without anyone around us. The problem is that is the exact moment you need to get up and say, I need to find people to be around. There's free support groups in many communities. You can look below. We have two websites called the National Alliance on Mental Illness and the Depression and Bipolar Support Alliance, where you can meet other people. You could call a friend, a family member, someone you know. You could go see a therapist or a psychiatrist. You could do something to not face all these issues on your own. There's also a national suicide hotline where you can call for free to speak to someone and be open about what you're feeling and facing, and they have trained people that will talk and give you information and help for no cost. So what I want to say is, don't battle it all on your own. Many times we get depressed, we say, oh, I'm going to fight it on my own, I don't want anyone to know. But that unfortunately is really the wrong answer. And sometimes when we are alone, we could do something that could hurt ourselves, and it's much better to be around other people, to be open about what you're feeling, and to know you do not have to be embarrassed if you're facing depression. It's a medical condition. It's not your fault. You didn't create it. But it is up to you to have the courage and take the right steps to press forward and to seek help and to be around other people. I want to thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds here on YouTube where we educate. On the website Bipolar Online, we do articles each day, and we help you have positive success as you learn to move forward in your life. Thanks for watching this. Please know I pray for you today and hope it gets better. Thanks.